Hi guys, สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Patty Thai Badass Channels. Today I will show you how is my garden in South Florida, in Fort Lauderdale. So this is not my first garden. It is my first one was I grow in the pot in the apartment. Then we moved to the house rental for like 2 years, and I have my garden, and I even use some of that use in the restaurant. I mean, I use that not just. I pretty much like cook. I use everything, the herbs, what I can find. I like to grow and then use that in my cooking, and then listen to some of the dish in Thai Badass. And today I will show this one is the third place, which is our new house, still under construction, but some of the garden we put here is already keep growing nice. And let's see what we have. Start from the sides right there. It's to over here. This one is, what is that? Galingo. This one chili, papaya, and the Thai basil one of this is like it's almost died and then it's coming back, and then it's avocado tree, and this one I don't know what it's called but it's Thai like sour fruit. More galingo, and bananas, Thai banana. This is die like this because of the weather is like cold and hot and cold, so I don't know how we'll survive my banana. And this is blueberry. I just tried. I know it's not gonna be good for the weather over here, but I just try. This is blueberries, 2 of them, and that one lemongrass, some roses, and this one is what, Mexican kale. I use that for the salad and in the soup. And the sign of my Thai Badass. And this net, I use that net to cover because otherwise the cat, her name is Peachy, she gonna mess up my garden. So this is one over here is culantro. Beautiful, huh? Today I'm gonna eat this. I mean, I just cut like this when I pick. I'm gonna use this for lap. Tonight we're going to do taco in my friend house. So I'm picking this. The meanwhile I'm picking it. I mean, I will come back, and that's just the mango trees, and this is the ginger, Thai basil. See, it's nice smell. And this, sorry, my breathing is loud. This one, I don't know what it's called again. It's bitter thing, super bitter, but it's good. It's healthy. It helps for immune system. And this avocado tree. Oh, that is rambutan. And this is a jackfruit, mango tree, not cauliflower, basil, and some of this is chives. I have onion right on the other side. Onion, just a little bit. I mean green onion. Shit. Sorry. Oops. See, I got scratch from the kaffir lime tree. The kaffir lime. And some flowers. They're going really bad. Some little my flowers. And over here is banana. Have to trim this out. And this one I got from Dwayne and Pips. We cut that, we eat with this papaya salad too. This is poor little guys. Because of the weather is from, again, it's like banana, from cold, no, from very hot, like 80 degrees, is turned down to 30 degrees, and then it's turned back to 80 degrees, and then it's turned back to 20 degrees. So it's like that. So I don't know, hopefully it will survive. And more Chinese kale and some of aloe. I have some aloe vera in my bathroom too. So why is I put in the bathroom? Because in case I cut or I burn my finger, burn my skin, and then I can use for for healing. I just got this new one. I have to take this out though, but I keep it just to read, just in case I have to read and I have to take this out. So this is a guava. I bought a Thai guava, but then it died because of, again, the weather, and it's like baby. So I got a new one. It's kind of tall, the same size as avocado. This is our backyard, still under construction again. This is moringa, and there's some soil and some I try to make the fertilizer from the old food, and the mango trees. Woohoo! Our favorite fruits. Tiger. And this is the more Thai basil we love so much. I cook almost every week, almost every day, and put in everything. Put in fried rice, put in the stir fry, put in the hot soup too. This is Thai basil, holy basil. Smell strong, and it's a black bamboo. Some I don't know what it's named. That more papaya trees, and another papaya trees. This super crispy. I ate that like 5-6 of them already. Woohoo! It's really good. And this another Thai that I used to show you on a previous video on my channel, that in Thailand we have this, and Thailand is free, and it's like you can pick it free here. I have to buy like $40 for this tree. And lemongrass and tamarind, sour tamarind. We use the leaf for the hot soup or sometimes salad. And we have a more baby coconut trees right here. So my brother-in-law Noah, he keep that. And more mango trees over here. Mango trees. I put surround with the coconut tree, and more papaya. Yay! Well, thank you so much for watching us, and this is all one of my my life, my lifestyle, my story. So I used to live grow a lot of vegetable and fruit back home, and now when I moved to US, it's kind of like I have to do, because there's a lot of herbs out there, like culantro like this in the store. It's like $4, like this, like $4. I'm like, that's ridiculous. So that's why I start to grow my own herbs. I mean veggie, mostly veggie, and then when we have more space, I try to add like fruit. And hopefully it's this video all will inspire you to maybe start from your pot, and if you don't have a space like this, you can put in the pot like in balcony. That's what I start. And then I moved to the house, and then the renting house, and then we bought our own house. Now we have space, and I just keep growing stuff, buying more. And I got some, whatever I eat, I sound like, oh, what is this? Okay, I need to grow it, and let's try. And then it's how the life of sustainable living. And believe me, I didn't really go to hospital or anything much because of what I eat and I cook for myself and for our family. And that's how it's a nature heal our body. You don't really need the chemical. In case, I will need only like something that I cannot handle, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next video. If you like, please subscribe and thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And what would you like me to make the video about? You can put down a comment. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you next video. Bye bye.